Is it possible to deploy a Java-based application into Tomcat servers, or do we have any other ways? Hi, this is Raviteja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 38 class. In this class, we are going to learn about how we can deploy a Java-based application into Tomcat servers. These things we are going to understand in today's class. Make sure that you have to practice well. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to deploy a Java-based application into the Tomcat server. Before going to deploy a Java-based application into Tomcat server, we need some prerequisites. Let me discuss it. If you want to deploy a Java-based application, you should have a Java code, right? And if you want, we have to compile the Java code by using build tool, which is Maven. Maven is the build tool which is going to compile the Java code. Or if you have Python code, you have to go with pip. Okay, and if you have React code, you can go with npm. You have to install the Maven as well, and Tomcat, and the default port number is 8080. In this, we are going to install this. So we are going to deploy a Java-based application into the Tomcat server. Okay, we need EC2 instance as well. We are getting the code from GitHub account. Okay, let me show you everything. First, what I'm supposed to do is I'm going to create an EC2 instance. Click on launch instance. Tomcat server. Click on Ubuntu. Change the medium, which is T2 medium. Select the key pair. This is key pair I'm going to select, and click on edit settings. Click on security group, create security group. It's Tomcat security. Then just come down. Click on security group. 8080, which is Tomcat port number. Allow all traffic. Then just come down. Click on launch instance. After launching the instance, we are going to connect with the instance. Click on this. Sorry. Click on instances. Click on this Tomcat server. Click on connect. Copy this. Open Git bash. Okay, paste it. Enter. Say yes. Sudo -i to begin root user and clear the screen. Okay. Now what I supposed to do is I'm going to copy the code from the GitHub. I'm going to clone this. You already know how we can clone from remote repository to the local. So just I'm going to open the GitHub account and just copy this. Open Git bash. You already know this command. Git clone and paste the URL. Say enter. Okay. Clear this. ls. Okay. You have train ticket reservation, which is a website we are going to deploy into the Tomcat server. Okay, how we can identify which is Java code? Let me show you. Just come down. Whenever you are having pom.xml file, that should be written in Java code. You can easily identify. In this pom.xml file, you have some things, okay, like snapshot, train book reservation, right? Artifact. These things you can observe in this. Okay, so you can go with, sorry, Clear this. Okay. First, we are going to update the system. Apt update -y. Clear this. We have to install. Okay. What I told you, we have to install Java and we have to install the Maven. Maven is for building, testing the Java code. Okay. Uh, apt install default -jdk. It is going to install Java -y. Enter. Okay. Clear this. Apt install Maven -y. Clear this. Okay. MVN -hyphen version. Okay. And Java -hyphen version. Okay. We have installed the Java as well. Now cd space. Okay. Say ls cd space train ticket reservation. Enter. In this, I am going to validate, test these things. Means I'm going to compile the code, Java code, and also I'm going to validate that code, and I'm going to install the packages. What are the things you have required for the Java code? Okay, it is automatically going to installing. Let me show you how. First, I'm going to say the command mvn validate. It is going to validate whether the script having any syntactical errors or not. Okay, build success. There are no any errors. Mvn compile means the code is in human readable language, right? But system cannot understand this language. So whenever you say mvn compile, it is going to convert human readable language to machine understandable language. Now ls, okay, you are able to see target file. It is automatically generated, right? So if you want to remove the target, mvn clean is the command. It is going to remove what automatically generated. Okay. Now you can observe the ls. Okay. The target directory has been deleted, right? Now I am going to say the command mvn test. Okay, success. Clear this mvn package. It is going to install what are the things we require. The script is going to be required. That things are going to be happening. Mvn package. Enter. Then you will be getting a target folder. You are dealing with that particular target folder only. Okay, build success. Clear this. ls cd space target. Enter. Clear this. ls. Okay, you are having var file, right? This is the uh, like binary language. In this having binary code, because the system need to be understand, the system need to be convert what we have written in the script, right? So that's why it is going to be generated. Whenever you say maven package, it is going to be generated. Okay. Now what is supposed to do is we have installed Maven and Java, right? We have to install Tomcat as well. How you can install the Tomcat? Okay, cd space enter, cd space enter. Okay, clear this cd space slash opt, which is the default path of Tomcat ls. We don't have anything over here, right? So you have to install the Tomcat over here. How you can install Tomcat download? Enter. Click on this. Click on Tomcat 9. Copy this URL. Copy link address and then just come down. Wget. Paste it. Enter. Okay, clear this. You will be getting one uh, zip file, right? tar.gz. So if you want to unzip this, tar-xczf extract files. Sorry, just a minute. cd space enter. Clear this. ls cd space slash opt ls rm enter wget. Okay, copy this wget and paste it here. Enter ls. Okay, now you are having a zip file, right? tar.gz. If you want to unzip this, tar xyz means extract files with this tar. Okay, clear this. Okay, ls. So the name is very length, right? So I want to rename this to Tomcat because we have installed the Tomcat, right? Tomcat, enter, ls, cd space Tomcat, ls, cd space bin, enter, ls. We have startup.sh and shutdown.sh, right? So just what you're supposed to do is dot slash, we have to start the Tomcat server, enter. Okay, you can observe the Tomcat has started, right? Then what you're supposed to do is copy the public IP and you can observe whether you are getting or not. Paste it and then say colon 8080, enter. Okay, you will be getting some access, right? So click on manager app. So you can clearly observe owner the access detained. Why the access has been detained? So if you want to modify the restrictions, you need to edit manager's contact.xml file. So you have to modify something over here. ls cd space dot dot enter. Clear this. ls cd space web apps. cd space web apps enter. ls. So what you have seen over here. So you need to change the manager's context.xml file, right? So you are able to see host manager and manager. So we have to edit both of them. First, I'm going with host manager. Enter ls. Sorry. Okay. cd space meta info. Enter ls. vi space context.xml. Enter insert mode. So you can clearly observe here. You have to comment something over here. Then you will be able to access it. Enter. Same thing we have to do. Space hyphen hyphen close this. Okay. Escape shift colon WQ enter. The same thing we have to do. CD space dot dot CD space dot dot ls. Now you can go with CD space manager enter ls CD space clear this. Okay. CD space ls CD space meta info enter ls va space context.xml enter insert mode. What you have done host manager, the same thing you have to do over here. So for this also you have to comment this enter. Okay. Space escape shift colon wq enter clear this. So cd space dot dot cd space dot dot cd space dot dot ls. You can go with bin because you have to stop and start the Tomcat server. Those things you have in bin, right? So that's why I'm going with this and dot slash shutdown dot sh. We have modified something, so that's why I'm going to shutdown and startup dot sh. Enter. The Tomcat has been started. Enter. Okay, now you can go and observe. So meanwhile, you have to copy this. So you have to edit something over here and do refresh. Okay. You should have username and password. So some login page has been opened, right? So how you can get username and password? It's very simple. ls clear this cd space dot dot ls. Are you able to see conf here? You can go with this. Enter ls. Are you able to see tomcat users.xml file? Yes. Just open this. vi space xml. Enter. Okay. Insert mode. And then just come down. So you have to copy again this username and password. Copy this and then just paste it here. Okay. The role name is manager-GUI and the same thing we have to put it in roles as well. Manager-GUI. Okay. Password. You can put it whatever the password you want. I'm going with W123 and username is same. I don't want to change any username over here. Copy this and you have to edit. Enter. Okay. You have to paste it here. Space. Okay. Escape shift colon WQ enter. Clear this. ls cd space dot dot ls cd space bin. So again, I am going to start up, shutdown and start up the Tomcat server dot slash startup dot sh. Okay, the Tomcat has been started. Now you have some credentials, right? So you can log in with this. Do refresh. Username I given Tomcat. Password is 123. Okay, it is taking some time. So after that, you will be getting like this. Okay, by using some credentials, you got to open this, right? So our requirement is to we have to deploy Java-based application like a snapshot where we have to deploy in this particular Tomcat server, right? So now you don't able to see, sorry, you not observe any train ticket reservation over here, right? In path. So I want to do something and then you can observe. Okay, CD space, enter, ls, CD space train ticket reservation. You have to copy the path, ls, CD space target, enter, ls, okay, pwd, which is the path it is going to be display. So this is the path you have. So copy this, then say enter, paste it here, slash, which one you want to copy. We have to copy this var file, right? Snapshot.var. You have to copy this. And then space where you want to deploy this file, train ticket reservation, where you want to deploy. So that path also we should have. CD space enter, clear this, CD space slash opt, enter, ls, CD space tomcat, ls, CD space web apps, enter, ls. Okay. In this web apps, I want to deploy. Okay. How can I get the state pwd enter? So you have to copy this path. For this particular path, I want to deploy. Okay. Paste, then say paste it. So at the front, cp space. So you have to copy this entire thing. Okay. And come over here, cd space enter. Okay. Just paste it here. Okay. Enter. You did not get any errors over here, right? So just come here, do refresh, then you will be observe train ticket snapshot, right? So this way we are going to deploy our Java based application into the Tomcat server. So what you supposed to do is click on this. Okay. This is the website. This is the thing we have in the snapshot.var. Okay. This is the way of deploying a Java based application into the Tomcat servers. So I will give this repository in the description. Make sure you have to practice well. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you, guys.